Hello everyone. So in this video I will give you the information about this Aryabhatta Ganit challenge in which you have to participate. Okay. So the first thing about it is how you will register, how to participate and how to get the certificate of this course. See, this is very compulsory course for the students studying in 8th to 10th standard. Okay, you have to participate and also you have to get your certificate that you can give to your class teacher that you have completed the course. So basically you are given with a link from your class teacher, from your school. You must have got the link of the Aryabhatta Ganit challenge. So first you will go to Google, you have to paste the link that is given to you by your class teacher. This is the link I am already having, so I am just clicking on it. Now when you will click on the link that is given to you, you will see a page for login to Diksha. Actually this course is on Diksha portal, so that's why you have to do the login on Diksha. Now just see one thing. If you will log in here on Diksha portal, now you will see two things. One is login with your email address or mobile number. This is what when you are already registered with the Diksha portal. See, most of you have registered or not, this depends upon you. So if you are already registered, you will enter your mobile number and password in it and then you can log in, click login. But if you are not registered with it currently, you will go to this register here. You can see this register here under this login option. You will click on the register here option. Now on this web page you have to select your birth year. See, everything you have to select very correctly, your name, everything you have to enter in a correct order, because your certificates will be generated after completion of the course. So if you will do any mistake, now if you will make any mistake, then it will not be worth for you to finish the course, because your name on the certificate will be wrong. Okay, so select your birth year. So suppose I am doing for one of my student here. Okay, his date of birth is 2008, his year 2008. Okay, you have to select only year of the birth, then you have to write your name here. So his name is Amit Kumar. Okay, I am entering his name. Then you have to enter mobile number or email address. See, two options are given. Either you can enter your mobile number, either you can enter with email address. So you can choose mobile number. That is the most easiest way to do. Okay, you can enter your parents mobile number if you are not having your own. So you can enter your parents mobile number here. Okay, then you will be choosing a password. You can choose on your own. Okay, this is given to you. It's up to you. Just choose your own password, a very simple one that you can remember. Okay, then again you have to put the same password for confirmation of the password. The same password, suppose you are putting here school @ 1234. Okay, suppose this is the password I have given, school @ 1234. The same password you will be entering here also, school @ 1234. Okay, then you have to click on this I understand. See, a blue tick will appear, I understand and accept. Then you will be registering. After filling all the details, you will register on this portal. Okay, now as I have already registered this thing, so I can't register it again with the same mobile number. Okay, with a single mobile number you will be able to register only once. एक ही बार register कर सकते हो. You can use your mobile application for Diksha also to register on Diksha portal. Mobile भी use कर सकते हो. Just you need to click on the link that is given by your teacher on your WhatsApp. After clicking the link, you will register. The steps that I am giving you, you will follow these. So once you are registered, see, suppose I am already registered with it, I will go back. Okay, now I will log in to Diksha. I will just sign in with Google. Okay, because I have already registered on Diksha. So again I am telling, if you are already registered, you will again, the link given by your teacher, this one is the link, you will go. Then I have already registered, so I will be clicking on sign in with Google. My account I will be registering here and see. Aryabhatta Ganit challenge will appear here. Now there is an option of join course you will see. See, for me it is coming as start learning. Why? Because I have already joined the course. Okay. But for you here you will see a option of join course. Then you will click on join course. Then you will start learning. Okay. Once you will click on that join course option, then this option will appear, start learning. So you will start your learning. See, this is the first module of the Aryabhatta Ganit challenge that is appearing. Welcome to the Aryabhatta Ganit challenge. Now you will be clicking on these arrows. You will read about all the things that is given in this course. You have access to following modules. Like this you will be doing. Okay, then like this you will be doing. See, you enjoyed this content. If you are liking this content, you can give 4 star, 5 star based on your thinking, whatever you want. Okay, then you will submit it. That means, see, introduction of this module you are completed. After reading, you have completed. Now see the next module option here. Just go to this next module. Okay, now a video is given, a very interesting video is there. You will see the complete video. Okay, then see, this is the magic of algebra. This video name is the magic of algebra. So once you are over with watching this video, once you are over completely, then you will go to this one, Srinivasa Ramanujan option. Then you will click on this one. Once you are over with the, see, for the magic of algebra, I am not getting a right click. I am not getting a right click here because I haven't seen that video completely. मैंने वो video नहीं देखा. So now I will read this thing completely. Okay, that means I have completed this one. Okay, so I will get here, I will get something to read. Okay, so that means whenever you will be completing all the course, you will get right click everywhere. Like on the previous module, you can see this green tick I have got because I have read the complete module. So if you have watched the video completely, then you will click on next module. Like this you will go. Everything you have to complete. Like in next module what you are having, Aryabhatta Ganit practice. You will do some practice here, then you will go to the next. Whatever is given you have to complete. Then at the end, when you are completing all the modules, then at the end it will be written that you have completed the course, and then your one certificate will be generated. Your certificate will be generated under this option. See, under you will go profile option, and here you will see all the certificates. See, download certificate option is there. So you will go here, download certificate. See, for Aryabhatta Ganit challenge, my certificate is not generated because I am ongoing here. Once you are completed the course, your certificate will generate. You can download the certificate, you can show to your teacher, and that's all. So this is about Aryabhatta Ganit challenge. So complete your course as soon as possible.